Today, we're diving into a practical and lush topic that's essential for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts in the Sunshine State: how to plant grass in Florida. Whether you're looking to create a vibrant lawn from scratch or rejuvenate an existing one, understanding the unique considerations for Florida's climate is key to your success. Firstly, let's talk about selecting the right type of grass. In Florida, the warm climate favors grasses like St. Augustine, Bermuda, Zoysia, and Bahia. Each type has its pros and cons, from drought resistance to texture and color. So it's crucial to choose one that aligns with your lawn's environmental conditions and your personal preferences. Preparation is everything when it comes to planting grass. Start by testing your soil's pH. Ideally, you want a pH between 5.5 and 7.0, which is slightly acidic to neutral. If necessary, amend your soil to reach that pH range. Also, ensure your planting area is free of weeds and debris, and if you're working with an existing lawn, consider aerating the soil to improve nutrient penetration. Now, let's discuss the planting process. If you're using seeds, evenly distribute them using a spreader and lightly rake the soil to cover the seeds. For sod, lay the pieces tightly together to avoid gaps, and gently roll over the sod to ensure good soil contact. Plugs are a great option for some grass types. Space them as recommended and be patient as they take time to spread and fill in. Watering is your next critical step. Newly planted grass needs consistent moisture to establish deep roots. Generally, keep the top inch of soil moist but not soggy until germination or rooting. After establishment, adjust your watering routine based on rainfall and the specific water needs of your grass type. Maintenance is essential for a lush, healthy lawn. Regular mowing, fertilizing, and pest control tailored to your grass type will keep it in top condition. Remember, the right mowing height encourages healthy growth and helps prevent weeds. In conclusion, planting grass in Florida requires selecting the right grass type, preparing the soil, choosing the best planting method, and maintaining proper care post-planting. Embrace these steps, and you'll be on your way to achieving a beautiful, resilient lawn that thrives in Florida's unique climate. Thank you for watching. Gardening in Florida can be a rewarding experience with the right knowledge and approach. Keep nurturing your green space and enjoy the rewards of a stunning, vibrant lawn. Happy gardening!